Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to battle friends in Pokémon Go. To battle with friends in Pokémon Go, open the Pokémon Go application on your device and log into your account. From the homepage of Pokémon Go, tap on your profile avatar at the bottom left. Click on Friends from the top of the screen. From your friends list, go ahead and select a friend that you want to battle with. After you open up their profile, tap on Battle at the bottom right. Choose your league on the next page. Select the battle league you want to compete with from Great League, Ultra League or Master League. Click on Let's Battle after you see this pop up. From the recommended battle party, choose your party and then click on Done. Click on Use this party after selecting the battle party, and you will then need to wait for the other friend to accept the challenge, and once they do, you will then be able to battle with your friend. Battling with friends in Pokémon Go is a fun way to test your skills and strategies. Keep practicing, try different Pokémon teams and enjoy friendly competition anytime, anywhere. So that's how you can easily battle with friends in Pokémon Go. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.